Hello everyone, it's KeToMi Poppy here, and we are back for another episode of KeToMi Recipes. As you've seen in the thumbnail and the title, we have something very special, very delicious. Your mouth must be watering at this time. We have a keto bacon and sausage jalapeno cheddar biscuit. That's right. This one is going to be absolutely phenomenal, absolutely delicious. There's a place called Whataburger in Texas, and they used to have this biscuit available, but it was always only here for a limited time. So I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and recreate this in a keto fashion. If you guys like biscuits and you don't really like the jalapenos, just go ahead and omit the jalapenos in this recipe, and you will still have a nice buttery biscuit. And you can make anything that you would like with it. It's keto, it's low carb, it's very, very good for you, and you are going to enjoy it. If you like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and let's get to it. So what we have here is, we have an egg, we have some breakfast sausage here, we have some uncured sugar bacon, some xanthan gum, swerve sweetener, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, almond flour, baking powder. We have some heavy cream. I usually use buttermilk, but you can use heavy cream with this recipe, and some butter, and a little bit of water on the side there. First thing that we are going to do is we're going to get a half cup of sharp cheddar. I would say a third. It's just going to be for me tonight, but the recipe calls for a half cup of sharp cheddar, half cup of mozzarella cheese. We're going to get that melted inside of this bowl, and we're going to also add a teaspoon of Kerrygold's butter. We're going to get all of that inside of this bowl, and we're going to get that mixed in with our flour. In the meantime, you want to go ahead and start cooking your breakfast meats the way you like it. I'm going to toss my bacon inside the oven, and I'm going to go ahead and form a few patties, one patty of my breakfast sausage, just to have them ready on the side to assemble our breakfast sandwich. So I'm going to get all of those together, and I'm going to see you guys in just a second. Right here we have a half cup of mozzarella cheese, a half cup of cheddar cheese, and we have a teaspoon of butter. We're going to go ahead and get this melted down. Okay, so we have our cheese and butter here melted. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a bigger bowl here, just to get a better mixing experience. You could still do it in this bowl. It's just for me, it's just too small. But if you have a bigger bowl, all the power to you. All right. So next we are going to get our dry ingredients in here. We've got some almond flour. We're looking to add about a half cup to start off with of almond flour. Okay. We're going to be adding a half teaspoon of some xanthan gum. If you guys are having trouble finding xanthan gum, I'll leave a link in the description below, but it should be readily available. This is going to help bind our biscuit. Works as a binder. Okay, we're going to be adding a pinch of swerve granulated sugar, just to balance it out. Just a pinch. Sorry for the shaking. Of course, we're going to be adding our jalapenos. We're going to be adding a teaspoon of baking powder, tablespoon of heavy cream, we're going to start off with a 4th cup of water here. Okay. 1 egg. And now we want to get our hands dirty, and let's go ahead and get this into a nice mix. Let's go ahead and form our biscuit dough. Okay, so here's our dough. I went ahead and transferred it over to another clean bowl. You want to usually take your time trying to get all of your dough ingredients nicely meshed together. You know, this one didn't take me that much time, but now that we have our dough, we can go ahead and start, you know, forming some biscuits here. So I'm gonna go ahead and form a few biscuits, just like this. Kind of, you know, have fun with your hands, and get yourself a baking tray with parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and place these on our parchment paper to get them ready for baking. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna cook these biscuits for, I would say, 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Golden brown. Yeah, got a little jalapeno that escaped. So once our, you know, our dough is, you know, in the process of cooking, go ahead and make sure you prepare the meats that you're going to be using for today's recipe, and we're going to go ahead and work on our breakfast sandwich. Okay, so I have some extra cheddar cheese on on these biscuits here, just to get them more cheesy. I want these to be a very cheesy biscuit, and it's just mouth-watering. So we're gonna go ahead and get these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Okay, so we're getting our bacon and sausage patty ready for our beautiful creation here. Looks to be good. Here's a beautiful shot of our biscuits. Beautiful golden brown. And here we are. We have the finished product, our keto bacon and sausage jalapeno cheddar biscuit sandwich. Guys, this one was absolutely fun to make. This one is absolutely delicious and nutritious. Let me know in the comment section if you end up trying this recipe here. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss another KeToMi Recipes video. I'll see you guys for the next video. Y'all guys take care. Bye-bye.